Batangan. The Kinabatangan River is one of Asia's most important waterways and known as the Amazon of Southeast Asia. We will focus on the conservation efforts to create a sustainable ecotourism. So join me into the wildlife to explore Kinabatangan. The government state made every effort in conservation of biodiversity, nature, and wildlife. Let's go to Sepilok. Hello, Mr. Junior.
Hello, Sam.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So
Yes.
where are you bringing me today?
I'm going to bring you to the wild side of Borneo.
Wow.
Yeah, let's go.
No wait, I cannot wait.
Okay, this place is under the management of Forest Department. It covers 4,300 hectares, more or less, 43 square kilometers. So they started this rehabilitation program in 1964. It was the first of its kind in the world and largest. So they have this area where they bring in orangutans from all around Sabah. And orangutan are the only known great apes that live outside of Africa. They exist about more than 300,000 years ago, and then they are scattered throughout most part of Eastern Asia, but now they're only confined to the island of Borneo and Sumatra. They're independent, they're smart. There's some research conducted a few years back on sign language. Of all the great apes, orangutan was number one.
Number one?
Yep.
Wow.
This is the indoor nursery. This is where they feed the young orangutans.
Oh.
Basically, they have few programs, few stages of the rehabilitation program. Quarantine and indoor nursery strictly not allowed for visitors.
Oh, okay.
So this is the outdoor nursery before they are being brought out to the feeding area. You can see all the ropes. So it's a place where they learn how to climb trees. And as you can see, there's no fence. They can go anywhere they want.
And they are free.
They are free, even though they are being trained, but they are free to go, and nobody are stopping them. Yeah. If you notice, everybody have names.
Yeah.
They actually, if during the first stage of the program, they're being called by names, they respond to the names.
Really? They know their name?
They know their name. So here we are. This is the last program, the free roaming.
Wow, also a feeding area.
Yes, for feeding area. It's good for visitors to see a lot.
Yes.
It's bad for
The orangutan.
For the orangutan. Because if they stay here, eventually it means that they're dependent on the food here. So it's a good sign, only one. Actually, that's a mother with a baby.
Oh yeah?
Her name is Mariko.
Mariko.
She's actually wild. She's not in the program. But she stayed here. Her mother was in the program. So it's good that she comes in. So those are born here in the wild, they just leave it like that.
Ah, okay, I get it now.
Which means, what I'm trying to say, it's good that there is no orangutan that during the program coming in and eat.
Yes.
Born to be wild. Yeah.
Hello, Dr. Wong.
Hello, Samantha.
How are you?
Good. Welcome to the Bonin Sambai Conservation Center.
Thank you so much.
So today I'm going to show you our center and also the bears as well. But first, let me introduce about our center a little bit. So for me, I am a wildlife biologist. I first came here to Sabah to study wild sun bears some 23 years ago. I'm originally from Penang. And at the time, this was back in 2008, the Sabah Wildlife Department, Sabah Forestry Departments and LEAP all come come as a partner to help me establish this center.
Oh, amazing.
Yes, so right now we have had helped 65 bears rescued by the Sabah Wildlife Department across Sabah, and then currently we still have 43 bears housed over here.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our brand new visitor center.
Wow.
You will be the very first visitors that I welcome.
Wow, I'm so honored.
Yes, very. So we have a series of souvenirs, t-shirts, and hopefully we will get more and more when the times come. Across our center, there is a series of signboards explaining about the bears. So this one is telling you that our bears is the smallest of all the 8 living bear species. And then
Really
they are
small.
black color, and everybody have this chest patch. They got long tongue, you know, all of that.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the distribution range of sun bear found across Southeast Asia. The red area is the extinct zone.
Oh, I see.
Bears used to have theirs, but no longer there. The orange color is the one that we know there are bears, and then yellow is the one that the forest is there, but there's no study, so we need to find out more. So sun bears also called beruang madu. They really love honey. Okay.
Beruang madu.
Yes. So when they eat honey, they sometimes excavate tree cavities, you know, from the kalulut.
Oh.
So they have to like dig out a big hole, and then that hole later being used by hornbills and other flying squirrels and other tree cavity nesters as nests. So we call them forest engineer. Yeah, very important.
Really?
You know, when they eat fruits, they ingest the seed, they spread the seed far away from the mother tree, so they plant the tree. So it's very important. When they eat termites, some of the termite species are known to attack live tree.
Yeah.
So when they eat this termite, they control the termite population and keep the forest healthy. Okay, right now we are at our platform number 1. We have 2 platforms, and here is the people can see the bears. There are a few bears
Look
over
at
here right
them.
now. Yeah, we just do the feeding, so they are eating their brunch. So in total, we have 10 different forest enclosure, forest pens. And all of these bears are all rescue bear, rescue across Sabah. So the lifestyle of sun bears, so it has to be like 2 different kinds. You know, the sun bears that live in the wild and the sun bear that live here, slightly different for obvious reasons. So sun bear in Sabah and West Malaysia and across Southeast Asia are totally protected species. So people need to know that they actually breaks the law if they keep a sun bears as pets. Yeah.
Okay.
So right now we are heading to our second platform. Actually, it'll give you an idea how special is our forest. You know, the tall tree can reach up to 100 meters, the tallest tree. You know, and here in this forest, the average canopy height is 50 meters, and all of these big trees are spectacular. Hundreds of years. All of them has to be hardwood in order to grow so tall. So we are at the second platform now. Yeah, so another place where you can see the bears in the surrounding. So we are literally surrounded by these bear enclosures, and the bears are free to roam in this forest. So here we use the sun bears and try to connect with everybody's daily life, because the forest provides us with clean air, clean water, and stable climates. And the bears will make the forest healthy, and the forest needs sun bears and all other wildlife. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Wong, for bringing me around. I've learned so much about sun bears today.
Yeah, you are very welcome. I hope you enjoy the tour over here.
Yeah,
You know, we got a very special bears over here.
definitely. I'm going to come
Yeah.
back. Thank
Yes.
you. All right, so right now we're at Rainforest Discovery Center, or they call it RDC short form.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Junior, what can you tell me about RDC?
Oh, a lot of things about this place. This is one of my favorite places, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, weekends coming in with families and kids, and everybody just can come in. But the history of Rainforest Discovery Center was actually started in 1989. It started with a Rainforest Interpretation Center. But that name is really hard to describe. Not many people say Rainforest Interpretation what?
Yeah, that's true.
So they changed to RDC when our Prime Minister, Pak La, officially opened this place in 2007, and it became Rainforest Discovery Center.
Oh.
So if you look at this image here, generally this is all the images that you can see in a tropical rainforest, particularly here in Borneo itself, from reptiles to mammals, amphibians, birds, insects, a lot.
Wow, everything.
Everything. And you know that Borneo is a hotspot for biodiversity of the world?
Oh.
Yes, we have everything here. Numbers of species in small area. So most of these pictures and the rest of the galleries, mostly pictures, were donated by local people of Sabah, from photographers, guides, naturalists, and everybody, which have passion for wildlife itself.
Thank you so much, Mr. Junior, for bringing me around.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
So I'll see you again
Definitely. Maybe in a while.
in a while. Bye.
Bye.
Take care. With rustic design lodges, Bilit Adventure Lodge offers you morning or evening river cruise and night walk where you might experience the wild beings in the rainforest. Surrounded by the natural sounds of the rainforest, Bilit Adventure Lodge has 100% local people working full-time. All of the benefits will go to them when you purchase their goods and also participating in their activities. Adventure Lodge, and right now I am going to meet with my host, Mr. Saad. Hello, Mr. Saad.
Hello, Sam. How are you today?
I'm good. So what are we doing today?
Okay, so today I'm going to bring you guys to explore the beauty of Kinabatangan River.
Wow, let's go. I cannot wait.
Let's go. Can you see that, Sam? This is a proboscis monkey, which is endemic to this island, to Borneo. As this monkey, the diet mostly is poisonous leaf. Okay, so the bifidus leaf, they will be help them to digest the enzyme and turn it become an energy for the monkeys.
Oh, okay.
If you look at on your right hand side, just for information, this is one of the tributaries that we have in Kinabatangan River. And apart from the river, if you look at the rope crossing, that's actually one of the NGO project where we try to help the primates to cross, okay, to cross over using that rope instead of swimming right on the river. Because this river, we do have a lot of crocodile.
Oh, yeah, that's...
All right, Sam, I would like to share with you, if you look at right on the bank, Okay, so this actually is a tree planting project that's been done in Kinabatangan River. Okay, when the boat pass through, there will be a wave.
Oh, yeah.
So when there's a wave, there will be create an erosion to the bank. So that's why the initiative by the NGO, they're planting this species. We call it Mollutus moticus.
Mollutus moticus.
Yeah, and also if you look at the roots, it's like a hair.
Yeah, it's
so
unique.
that's the function is to hold or to hold the soil, to preventing or to slow down the erosion process.
Oh, I see. What's that box, Mr. Saad?
Oh, that one, Sam, that one we call it is artificial nest.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that actually specifically for hornbill. There's one of the 8 species of hornbill that you can find in Kinabatangan. That one we call it a black hornbill, Asian black hornbill.
Ooh.
And if you notice now, the river is getting narrow and narrow.
Yes.
All right, so this is actually a tunnel or tributaries. Okay, will bring us to somewhere.
Wow. The river gets bigger and bigger as you go by. Okay, so right now we are going on a night walk, right, Mr. Saad?
Yes, correct.
So what can we see during the journey?
During the night walk, mostly will be focused right on the nocturnal animal.
Okay.
Okay, like a cats, okay, birds, insect, perhaps some snake. So this is very fresh elephant dung.
Oh, really?
Okay, so we can see this all the poo is full of grass. Okay, so meaning to say, this trail also used by the
Elephants.
Look closely, careful. Right above us, can see the very tiny birds.
Oh, yeah.
The blue one.
Oh, yeah.
So this is definitely, they call it a flycatcher. Ah, look at that, Sam.
Ooh.
How small, how tiny this one.
It's so small.
And then,
My nails are bigger.
exactly, yeah, it is.
This is the biggest they can grow?
Exactly, yeah. This is, they said it's very fully grown. Sam, do you want it?
Ooh. There's another bird here.
This is kingfisher.
Oh.
This one they call Oriental dwarf kingfisher.
Okay.
Look at the color. It's beautiful color.
Beautiful. It's colorful.
You see the cat over that side?
Yeah,
Can you
I
see the light?
Yes, yes. Wow.
This is also considered quite difficult to see. That's what they call it a banded civet.
Oh.
Wait a minute, Sam. Can see the tiny ants over here.
Yes.
So this one they call is a fire ant.
Fire ant.
So this one they call it is a tiger leech, Sam.
Oh, tiger leech.
Tiger leech. So that's why once they start bite you, you can't feel anything
That's
because they will release an anesthetic, so you can feel. But this one you don't have to be worried because they did not transmit any disease. Can you see that, Sam? Wow. Can you see the reflection from the eyes?
yes.
That one they call it the Western Tasia. Okay, so I can say this. This is very, very difficult to see them. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, Sam, we just reached the end of the walk tonight.
Oh,
Perhaps you might come back here
I
again.
will come back again,
All right?
definitely.
That's good.
Thank you so much, Mr. Saad.
No problem, Sam.
Branded as one of National Geographic's unique lodges in the world since 2015, Suka Rainforest Lodge offers you a remarkable experience of the wildlife and nature. in 1995, this lodge is perched on the banks of the Kinabatangan River. It was the first in the area designed with ecotourism principles.
Okay, about the Borneo Villa, the unique thing is the idea is the founders, the owner, want to give you a luxury feeling inside the forest. So that explains when we go to the villa, it's just surrounded by trees, surrounded by forest, but still you will have a nice room, nice comfortable bed with a nice showers, etc. So that's the idea, and also to ensure to keep as many as trees around it. So it's one of the green practices we practice for the Borneo Villa. Yeah.
What is that? A snake?
Okay, a snake. You are very lucky because this call is paradise tree snakes. There are only 3 species of these snakes in the world, which is the abilities is to glide from tree to tree. Oh. Have you heard before about the flying snake?
Yes.
So this is the example.
Okay, Mr. Suhaili, I need to know, where are we right now?
We are one of the tributaries that link to the main river. It's called the Menanggul River.
Menanggul River.
Menanggul River. What interesting is the tourism in Kinabatangan, it started since 1989, and this is one of the hotspot, one of the place you must go for cruising. So this is some area where the elephant yearly will cross to go to other side of the river. For information, the Bornean pygmy elephant in Kinabatangan estimated 220 left, not a lot. Yeah, they're the smallest elephant in the world. They call pygmy elephant. Okay, we are very lucky right now. We have the experience this one of the commonest monkeys around Kinabatangan.
Yeah.
However, it is endemic to Borneo. Yes.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Suhaili, for bringing me around on this boat around Menanggul area.
Yeah. Likewise, we also honored to have you visit. We are very thankful also. Thank you so much for you and the team. So we're going to head it back to the jetty now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Sam. This Kinabatangan River is very special, actually. Yeah? Because one thing is the 10 species of primates we can find in one area.
Yeah.
We also could find is more than 200 species of birds.
Wow.
Just in Kinabatangan.
That's a lot.
Out of 600 species in Borneo. While also this river, okay, so as you can see, we do also have a lot of crocodile. So far, we saw quite a lot of primates as well. Okay, I hope you've been enjoyed that and satisfied.
Of course.
Kinabatangan River.
Of course. When you go into the wild, expect the unexpected. Kinabatangan has to be one of my favorite destinations. We spotted various types of animals from the river cruises to the night walk. Until then, I'll see you on the next episode.